The human body is extremely forgiving of all the weird things we do. So not sleeping for one night is not terribly bad for you, but not sleeping over many nights or for a long period of time or over many years or even, for some people, lifetime is really bad for them. Why? Because sleep has a purpose. Sleep is maintenance work that your body is required by its design so that it can function at its best and live as long as it is designed to live and be as healthy as it can be based on how, again, it's designed. So if those things aren't happening, that lack of sleep is going to affect the person's longevity. It is going to affect their health. It's going to affect their emotional well-being, which in turn will affect how they relate to people, how well they function in society, how productive they are, if they develop chronic health conditions that could have been prevented had they been sleeping well. Everything. Life depends on sleep.